YOC Wahen Kuman, Mamang Lekai Sinduna Tasi Kunhumdagi Hoduna Tim Nipana Saruyaduna YOC ground as a Tarkiba, often football tournament is in Kuntarunga Silushin Cray. Tournament Lushin Bagay as the final match the Kasanjambam Epsina SDC Samuru Panzil Amasino the Mighty Piduna tournament Gimapu Oi Cray. Lushin Bagay Tormatu the Art and Culture Minister Kurajam Loken, Nambol SCG MLA, Tonojam Basanta Kumar, Kontojam SCG MLA, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, BJP Nambol Mandalgi President, Ahong Sangum Jiten, Lemapupam Zilla Parison member, Kanguzam James Iso Gram Pansat Ki Pradan Warepum Deven Susaruyaki. Tharunga Mari Lena Minister Kurajam Loken Fonto Kibada, Manipur Art and Culture Madi Sports na Malim the Saktakong Amnibani. Masida Natana, Mayai Kabasanjaktagi, Lapna Lehenmada Asobating Oiri, Maramaduna Horak Iban Hasimbu, Manamana Pamjaba Amadi, Sanaba, Sports Event Amakalaga, Sanahanaba Honorary Haiki, Tournament Sige winner team the Seluna Luparising Taramaga, Trophy Pidin Puning Togaki, runner up team Dana Luparising Taragalun and a Trophy Piki, Lunana Vest Keeper Takiba, Pari Epsigi, Kanirda Amadi, Best Player, Soro FCG, P. Sintangambada, Amadi Best Top Scorer, Loktak FCG, Kaikuda, Selgi Manapi, and a Punging Togaki.
Discipline, Taxi, Kasi, I'm the important lawyer to Masana, Sinsu, but I'm able to keep it discipline now, Sakabani, and Dam's the lady by Kogi, putting Moxie, Moxie Sana, Minana, Honavani, Amata, Woki, London, and Germany, and Dam's the lady by putting Moxie, Amada, Moxie Sana, like Matam, Kogi, Support Pahava, Ilam the Manipur, have to hold it.